To change Samsung account profile date of birth in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and enter settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accounts and backup, and then tap accounts and backup. Select manage accounts, and then tap your Samsung account. Select on general, select my profile, and then tap profile info, and then on personal info select date of birth, and then to change tap day, month or years you want to change, for example, and then select month, and then tap save. If you finish, now date of birth was changed. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.